In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts and invoices in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to add supporting documents to an invoice, how to upload them smoothly, and a few simple tips to keep everything clear and organized. Start by opening your invoice and making sure all the necessary details are in place. That means you've entered the customer, the invoice date, the payment terms, the products or services, quantities, rates, and any taxes or discounts. Once those fields look good, you're ready to attach your receipt. Now, scroll down the invoice form until you see the attachments area. This is the dedicated spot where QuickBooks links files to your invoice for easy reference later. You have two easy options here. First, you can click the Add Attachment button. That will open your file picker, where you can navigate to your receipt on your computer, choose it, and confirm. You'll see the upload start right away, and once it finishes, the file name or a small thumbnail appears under Attachments. That's your confirmation that it's linked to the invoice. The second option is even faster. Drag and drop. Open your File Explorer or Finder, locate the receipt you want to use, then click, drag, and drop it directly onto the Attachments box on the invoice. QuickBooks will upload it automatically, and you'll see it appear in the same spot. A few helpful tips here. Use clear, descriptive file names like the vendor name and date so you can identify your receipts at a glance. Common formats such as PDF, JPG, and PNG work well. If a file is large, consider reducing its size to speed up the upload. You can attach multiple receipts by repeating the same click or drag action for each file. If you ever add the wrong file by mistake, look for the small remove or delete option next to the file name to take it off before finalizing your work. If an upload seems stuck, double-check your internet connection, make sure the file isn't open in another program, and try renaming it without special characters. Also, scan or photograph receipts clearly in good light so totals and dates are easy to read later. Avoid including any sensitive information on attachments, and keep your records consistent so you can find them quickly during reconciliations or audits. That's all there is to it. Once your receipt appears in the attachments section, you've successfully added it to your invoice. Repeat for any additional documents you want linked, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.